Chenro mar medo ndiko oganda e bwo okumba manyien mar thieth mar SHA medo mako mach e kaunti ma Elgeyo Marakwet ka jotelo ma alworano lando injili mar ber ndikruok e okumba manyienno ma bende oseyudo kwet. Jagoro mongirore e migawo mar thieth mawuok Harry Kimtai nonyiso ber mar keto sekta mar thieth e bwo lony manyasani e ute mag thieth ma Thurka. Nowacho ni kokalo e teknolojia, ute mag thieth nyalo kano, nonro kendo oro kwayo mar chudo mag thieth e yo mahuyanga.
You come from a location or a sub-location, you must hold a from his pocket. Because you have even failed to pay for that.
We have given ourselves a target of 34 days maximum to ensure that we have digitized all the 131 healthcare facilities within this county. So this will be among the top 10 counties that we have identified for digitization. But the entire process of digitization across the country is going to be completed by the 1st of October, when we shall be celebrating the first anniversary of SHA rollout.
The biggest winner of SHA is public hospitals. In the past, NHIF was benefiting private hospitals. There are no private hospitals in Elgeyo Marakwet. 95% are public hospitals. Since November until now, these facilities have received 75 million shillings with 45% registration, which has also helped that number. It's a very big achievement. I'm really, even the counties that are ahead of Elgeyo Marakwet, they are much better in terms of infrastructure and all that. So given the challenges, and now with what we have given them today in terms of devices, I am very certain that Elgeyo Marakwet will be the center of excellence for universal health care and for Taifa care.